Welcome to the 2014 Sony Open. I'm Randy Kasowitz, and we are inside Stadium Court where all the action occurs, at least for the hardcore tennis fans. But outside, there's a whole nother world of entertainment. We are at the Sony tent, and we're joined by Giancarlo Bernini, who is the head of global sponsorships for mobile for Sony. And first of all, welcome to South Florida. A great change of weather from what you left in London, England.
Absolutely, and it's great to be back for our usual appointment here in Miami for the Sony Open. We're really happy to be here. You know, this event attracts over 300,000 people every year, and it's a great spectacle. I think the fans here in Miami really look forward to this event. People travel in from across Central and South America as well as the entire United States. So it's just fantastic to see them all here for 2 weeks, and let's hope the players put on one heck of a show for them.
Hi, so today I'm here with Julian Farrell, the owner of Julian Farrell Salon. So you've been involved with the US Open for several years now. Now that you have a business down here, you decided to also merge with the Sony Open.
We opened our location on Biscayne Boulevard in Miami in 2012 in November. I think it's a great demographic people for our salon. I think all those young athletes are great looking.
Okay, we're joined by Emily Burton, who is a sales representative with the collection. And we are in the collections tent here on site at the Sony Open. And Emily, what a beautiful Saturday afternoon to be selling cars.
It is a beautiful day. We're very proud to be here and be a part of this amazing event. A lot of the clients that purchase or have the means to purchase these beautiful cars also enjoy tennis, which is an amazing sport. So our company decided to put the two together and bring our beautiful cars here to represent our store and also to support tennis, which we all love.
As you can see, there's a lot more going on out here at the Sony Open than just the tennis. There's something for everyone here at the Sony Open, and I hope you enjoyed our behind-the-scenes look. For the Beach Channel, I'm Randy Kasowitz.